we'll look at examples of relative clauses and then I'll explain what they are all about. So generally, here we have one example where we can see a relative clause. This is the relative clause in this nice purple here. But a relative clause can never stand alone, so it needs a main clause in green here. The main clause can stand alone. That means you can say, my mother is standing there. That works. But just who has brown hair does not work. So a relative clause always needs a main clause. And the relative clause gives information about the main clause. So in this case, who has brown hair talks about the mother. Okay, relative clause gives information about the main clause. And it's usually introduced by a relative pronoun, which is marked red here. So there are several types or several different pronouns, and I will just list them and talk a little bit about them. We have who, that, which, whose, and whom. Even though whom is something that you will probably only use if you write a letter to the Queen of England. So not super important, but we'll still talk about it. So in the second step, we'll have a closer look at relative pronouns. Again, it's who, that, which, whose, whom, and I'll explain what they deal with. So who always talks about people. Later on, I will of course always give examples. Which talks about things, and that is in the middle because it can talk about both. So, genius trick. If you don't know which relative pronoun to use that, because it's pretty much always right. Then we have whose, that is possessive. Joe's bar. Oh, this is, I will explain in a second, so just bear with me. And then whom is an objective. Okay, now on we go. An example, this is my brother, who is really nice, or that is really nice. Again, that talks about people and things, so we can use it here. And my brother is a person. Doesn't matter if you like him or not. Next example, this is my cat, which or that is really nice. No matter how much you love your cat, and even if you know what it is, like a tomcat or a female cat, generally cats and pets are all things. So you would use which or that. Next example, whose. This is my cat whose tail is really short. So you talk about the tail in a possessive way. So you need the relative pronoun whose. And then finally, this is my brother whom I really love. Whom with an objective meaning. In German, that would be generally accusative or a dative. And because in English this is not so much used anymore, we just have some forms. But again, this is just for the sake of completion. You will probably not use this. If you click on these links, there are some more videos about the relative clauses. Maybe you'll find interesting too.